This is week 5, video number 2, slides 7 to 17. So now we're going to talk a little bit about assertiveness. And the first few slides here, I encourage you to read through them, pause and read through them. They talk about what is assertiveness and kind of doing a little self-check to see if you are assertive. And then I'm going to share with you a strategy called OMER, which is an acronym, to help you make sure that you can express your opinion, share your opinion or your point of view, and make sure it gets across either when you're speaking one-on-one with somebody or when you're speaking in a small group and you want to make sure your 2 cents, your point of view is heard. Okay, so read through on the screen how you do this. So the O stands for begin by stating your opinion clearly. You know how I feel about the word clear and communication. So your sentence should say, what is the focus? What do you want done? What is the action? And what is it that you care about? And what's your opinion on it? So in this example, it's instituting a flexible work week makes a lot of sense. So the person's opinion is flexible work weeks are good and we should do it. That's what they want to happen. Then the next thing is the M in the acronym stands for the main reason. So just don't overwhelm your audience. Pick your one main reason that you believe that point of view. So here it is. And again, clear and concise. Don't raise your voice. Don't speak quickly. That makes you sound aggressive. But tell us why you have that opinion. Then provide an example that supports your opinion. That's the E. Okay? And then the final thing you do is you restate your opinion. So it's 100% clear what exactly it is that you want. Okay, so this little video should give you some ideas on assessing your assertiveness and a strategy to make sure that you can be assertive when you're dealing with other people in a conversation.